Hello students, welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we learned about cooking, exercise and rest. And today you will know about diseases. Student, do you know what is disease? When our body is not feeling comfortable, when we feel lazy and unable to perform anything, that means we are not well. Diseases are of two types, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. So today I will tell you about communicable diseases. The diseases spread from one person to another person through microbes are called communicable diseases. What are microbes? Microbes mean very small living organism present in our body. You know, our body is a home of millions of small organisms. माइक्रोब जिनको हम जर्म्स बोलते हैं बेटा, दे आर कॉल्ड माइक्रोब्स. We can call these diseases infectious diseases and contagious diseases also. See this diagram on page number 23. Bacteria, virus, protozoa. These are the types of microbes. These microbes cause the communicable diseases. Here one table is also given in your book. Through this table, you will easily come to know which diseases are caused by these microbes. Now students, I will tell you how communicable diseases spread. The first one is direct contact. Diseases like cold, measles, chickenpox are easily spread through direct contact. And here I am giving you one live example, that is coronavirus. It is also a communicable disease. आपने सुना है ना कैसे एक पर्सन दूसरे पर्सन को टच करता है तो ये वायरस उसकी बॉडी में चला जाता है. तो थ्रू डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट द जर्म्स एंटर टू अदर पर्सन्स बॉडी. सो दिस इज द communicable disease. Next is food and water. If we will take infected food and impure water, the germs enter in our body through mouth. Diseases like food poisoning, diarrhea, jaundice are the example of these diseases, and we can call them foodborne diseases and waterborne diseases. Next is infected air. If we are breathing in infected air, the germs enter in our body through nose. It will also make us sick. Like if someone is sneezing, the germs are spread in the air and inhaled through nose. The last one is insects. Many insects like mosquitoes, bugs, sandflies, etc. are also the agents of communicable diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, etc. So, सुना है ना आपने डेंगू एक मच्छर के काटने से होता है. So, these all are the agents of communicable diseases. Here today's explanation is over. It's the time to check your knowledge. Here I am giving you very short exercise. Try to do this, and if you are unable to do this, see in PDF. Take care students. Bye bye.